Welcome to day 4 of reacting to an anime for the month of October. Let's see what we get today. Ooh, Woodpecker Detective's Office. What the hell? It came out April 13th, 2020. They said, yeah, let's just walk off the beer by climbing 12 floors. Oh, he just turned into the red light district. Oh, the fuck? Did he just commit murder? What is he doing? He's just going into every brothel. Like, is he trying to be a cuck? Oh, Mapo was detective. Holy shit! I know this voice too. That's Grimjow's voice actor. Oh wow! But how are they gonna decipher the letter if it's burned? That was day 4. Catch you guys tomorrow for day 5. Peace.